Hey everyone, it's Kristen and today we're doing a Stranger Things inspired makeup look. I wanted this look to look like a Demogorgon was bursting out of my chest. To start this look, I start with the Mehron red face paint and sketch out the head shape of the Demogorgon. Then I begin to fill in the petal areas in red. Then towards the middle of the face, I start using a darker red. And finally filling in the middle with black. And this will be for the mouth area in the middle. Then my head starts to get in the way, but here you can see I try to outline each petal with a lighter shade of pink around the outside. Then I outline it in black. Then I line the inner side with the darker red. Then I use white face paint for the teeth, making teeth-like shapes going in towards the black. Then I make a smaller inner row of teeth on the inside. Then make sort of the white prickly areas on the inside of the petals. Then in various spots I use white to add a little bit of highlight to the areas and also to kind of give it a wet look. Then I fill in the body area with a grayish white. Then use black and dark gray, giving the neck kind of a muscled look. Then I add some black eyeshadow underneath. Then I make the sort of rib area to make it look more emaciated and skeletal. Then adding black eyeshadow to the ripped area of the chest to make it look like this is coming from the inside. Then using red to add sort of a bloody and veiny look to the outer skin. I kind of wanted to give the surrounding skin an infected look. Then using some red eyeshadow for the irritated area around the skin. Then adding more red eyeshadow to the vein area. Then using more black eyeshadow around the outside to add more shadows, making the shadows darker in the deeper corners. And that completes this Stranger Things Demogorgon inspired makeup look. I'm really looking forward to seeing the final season. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.